Ang pangatlong way where we can expand our business with limited capital is to offer value for money. Now, what this means is that, first of all, we can provide yung mga options na affordable. Dapat meron silang pagpipilian. So, regardless of how much money we have, tayong mga Pinoy, we are price sensitive. So, we need to be sure that we offer products or services at prices that are competitive. So, kailangan nating maka-attract ng mga customers at hindi lang customers na isang klase, kundi a wider range of them, iba-ibang klase. So, because it's a wider range of customer base, we need to be able to offer affordable alternatives without, of course, compromising on quality. So, para sa customer na to, ito yung quality, ito yung price, ito yung price, ito yung price. At maybe different quality levels, of course. So, ang very good example niya na natatandaan ko sa mga SM supermarkets, di ba? Ang SM supermarkets, hindi yan pang D&E class, no? It caters to class A, class B, and upper C markets even. Lahat ng products nandoon, merong mga mamahalin, merong mga imported, but then, meron din silang alternative products na which are made under the SM bonus brand, di ba? So, these are for the price-conscious people. Hindi kasing ganda yung packaging dahil SM bonus lang, pero yung laman naman is not as bad. You get value for money. Next, offer promotions and discounts. Again, sabi ko nga, tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa promo at sa discount. Remember also na kailangan nating mag-run ng mga promos and offer discounts tuwing merong mga holidays. Minsan nakakalimutan ko yan hindi ako nakakapag-plan. What I did was to really have a calendar of events so that I can refer to it again and again. Holidays, fiestas, or special events na nandoon sa certain locality. So for each branch that we have, each one has a different calendar. Siyempre, iba-ibang barangay yon, iba-iba yung mga activities. Once you have that, it can entice your customers to choose your business over your competitors. Kahit na department stores nga, tsaka online selling platforms, hindi ba? Nag-iisip sila ng kung ano nung mga way para to attract people to buy with their payday sales, 3-day weekend sales, midnight sales, para magkaroon tayong maraming mga reasons and occasions to buy from them. Next is to focus on preferences of the people in that region. Bawat region, iba-iba ang preferences. Hindi pare-pareho. Kailangan maintindihan natin na yung ating taste at preferences, bawat area ay iba-iba and therefore dapat iba-iba rin yung ating mga products, iba-iba rin yung ating mga services. Dahil the Philippines has 7,100 islands or more, kaya medyo watak-watak tayo at bawat isang barangay kung minsan or bawat isang province, merong ibang kultura. Kaya we have to cater to their needs. For example, if you are in a Muslim-dominated area and you have a food business, consider offering popular non-pork versions of different dishes para sa mga Muslim because bawal sa kanila yung kumain ng merong baboy. Kahit na yung iba, no, they are so strict that they do not even want to eat in a restaurant that serves pork because syempre pag hinuhugasan daw yung pinggan ay nagkakasama-sama. We need to be sensitive to these things. Yung iba nga, just for the restaurants to be appealing to the Muslims, they really do not serve pork at all.